Normally, when I do a review video, I go over the specs and tell you a lot of details about the specific product. But in this case, I'm just going to play a clip right now of me filming using the Canon M50 camera with the 15 to 45 millimeter lens, and I'm going to play the audio that comes strictly from these clips. So the audio came directly from the camera, no microphone inserted, and the video is from the 15 to 45 millimeter lens that comes default with the camera. Now this camera is supposed to be an amateur camera, but if you ask me, there's nothing amateur about the Canon EOS M50. Many different lights can be attached to your Canon M50, or in my case, I use a wireless mic and I dock it on top of my camera. The 1/4-inch screw hole makes it that any tripod is pretty much dockable for your M50, but additionally, any aux cable can be put into the side so that you could have an external microphone and use the audio from the microphone instead of the camera. Like most cameras, the Canon M50 does not have an SD card, but it does have the battery and the charger. Now, your battery will last for about 2 hours worth of filming time. Yellow on the charger means that it's charging. Green on the charger means that it's full. Live streaming is something I've done a lot over the years using the Canon M50, but unfortunately the Canon M50 does not have clean HDMI to allow you to stream without these add-ons. Now the Canon M50 has been discontinued by Canon, but it's still available for purchase. The alternative route, instead of getting the Canon M50, you can always get the Canon M50 Mark II. If you get the Canon M50 Mark II, in that case scenario, it already has a clean HDMI output, which means you don't need all these added accessories in order to live stream. But if you are looking to live stream with your Canon M50, then you're going to need to look up exactly what you need. To cut it short, I can say this: the dummy battery you see in front of you, you need a video capture card, and you need the HDMI cable to have the output set. Once you get everything plugged in, you're set to go for live streaming. But again, you can just get the identical, practically Canon M50 Mark II instead. Lastly, I'm showing you a clip from my main YouTube channel, Dash with Ash in Canada. And I use the Canon M50, always, with the 15 to 45 millimeter lens. And now I'm going to dip out my audio so you can hear the camera with the external microphone. And I'm only going out to do deliveries now. There was an Instacart order that I was much wanting to go and do, but I didn't click fast enough by the time I opened it up, and now it's gone. So, I gotta go online with Uber Eats here. I haven't done that yet. I am